Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel 3Gen Techies. Before we jump into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Alright, let's get started. Today we are going to see how to blink an LED using an Arduino board. It's a basic but very useful project for beginners. Let's get started. For this, we need an LED, a resistor, a breadboard, jumper wires, and of course the Arduino board. Let's get started. Now let's see how to connect the circuit for our LED blink project. First, I have an LED in my hand. The LED has two legs, a positive and a negative. We will start by connecting a resistor to the negative leg of the LED. This resistor is important to protect the LED from high current. Next, we take a jumper wire and connect the other end of the resistor to the GND pin on the Arduino board. This completes the negative side of our circuit. For the positive side, we take another jumper wire and connect the positive leg of the LED directly to digital pin 13 on the Arduino board. Once both connections are made, our circuit is ready. When we upload the code, now let's start by opening the Arduino IDE. The first step is to check the port. Make sure your COM port is selected correctly, matching your connected Arduino board. Next, verify that the correct board is selected. Go to Tools, Board, and ensure Arduino Uno or your respective board is selected. Write or paste the LED blinking code into the IDE. After that, click the Verify button to check for any errors. Once it compiles successfully, hit the Upload button to flash the code to the Arduino. That's it. Once uploaded, you will see the LED blinking. This is how we build and run a basic LED blinking project with Arduino. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.